here it is, Wednesday, ALDI Finds Day. It's May 13th. And they have you all set for barbecuing or camping this Wednesday. And this is a collapsible camping cot. And there's the picture on there. It says quick and easy setup, durable steel frame construction, compact folding design for easy transport, and easy carry handles. And I see it in a blue, there's a green, there's looks like a beige color back there. They have quite a few of them, and they are $39.99. Here's Range Master's 65-inch gas grill cover. It says universal fit, and obviously they are black, and they are $9.99 each. These are nice down here. They're barbecue caddies, and you can see, hopefully on the box, it holds your condiments, and then up above, there's a place for your paper towels. So it says pull-out hangers for barbecue tools with removable paper towel holder. So that looks like it would be very handy if you have a lot of barbecues. And that's $19.99. Here's your choice of barbecue grill tools. And you have either the tongs, the grill brush, or the 4-in-1 spatula. So your choice of any of the three is $4.99. Here is the 3 packs of multi-purpose lighters. And they are no they're not. They have a sign under it that says strawberry yogurt. Okay, I'll have to find the price for you on that. Up here is the charcuterie to-go board. So it's the wooden bottom, and I can see it up there. It has separations, and then there's a clear top that snaps onto it. I know there's a glare on it now, but I'll get closer so you can see the box. And that is $19.99. Up here is a insulated foam sleep mat. And there's a picture of it here, how it unrolls. And yeah, it says it's a sleep pad. It's water resistant and it's easy to clean. So I don't know, maybe when you go camping you would use this, but it's $14.99. Down here are flip top coolers. They have them in a solid black. That's a blue and white stripe, and that's a red, white, and blue. And they are $14.99 each. Up here are bug repellent fans. They're interesting looking. It says they have soft and flexible blades and chemical repel strips to keep your flies and bugs away, and a perfect accessory for camping, picnics, or barbecues. And they are $6.99 each. Looks like they have a wood tone, a white, and a black. Up here are your choice of a 2-pack of universal leak-proof bottles, or down here is the spice caddy with the handle and the 4 compartments in it, and little mini spoons in the middle. And those are $3.99 each. Here's a collapsible dish drainer or collapsible tub. I'll get in a little closer so you can see it. I think some of these things are good for camping, or if you have an RV. These are $7.99 each. Here's your choice of a watertight, extra large case. They also have smaller ones. And they also have here the 1 or 2 pack of what they're calling medium duty tarps. I'll get a close up for you there. Says for home projects, 9 by 12 feet, easy to clean, reinforced hems, and it says great for camping and gardening. And you get your choice of either one of those for $6.99. Here are Fluid Aquatics Universal Type 3 Life Vests. It says perfect for recreational boating and water activities. They only have a couple in this box. Maybe they have more, I don't know. But I see a turquoise one and I see a blue one in the back. And they are, let me see, $12.99 each. Here they have a kayak set with paddles. And it says on the box, adjustable inflatable seats for comfort and enclosed cockpit to prevent water pooling. And it says accessories included, and it looks like the paddles, a pump, 2 fins, and the carry bag. And they are, let me see the price. Hold on a second. I had to look for the price. The price on those is $99.99. Down here is a portable hammock with a stand. Looks like they have just about everything you're going to need here if you like to go camping. That's $69.99, and it says includes a carry bag for easy storage, a side mesh pocket where you can store your phone, pillows provide a more comfortable experience, and let me see, strong powder coated steel stand sets up quickly and easily. And it looks like they have about 3 left here. One looks like a green, and then there's a tan color, and they are $69.99. Here they have lightweight portable chairs for $14.99. It says on it the size 28 inches by 21 by 22. Maximum load is 240 pounds. They weigh 3.3 pounds. So you have your choice here. I think they have a couple of boxes in the back, and there are a couple of colors, but this is what it looks like. They have a few left of these rattan storage tables from last week. I'll tell you, if I had some place to put it, I would buy it because they're $24.99 and they look well worth it. It says reinforced rust-resistant steel frame and perfect for outdoor use. So there you go, if you need a little storage table. In these boxes down here, behind the pole, I can barely get here to film them, are swimsuits. And I'll get closer. It looks like they have a few different styles. There's like a solid green, there's a animal print, a black and white, and they are $9.99 each. Here are toddlers or children's swim cover-ups, and it looks like they have a blue, a peach color, and I think they're supposed to be a white, and they're by Lily and Dan, sizes 2T, 3T to medium, and they are $8.99. Here are ladies' beach cover-ups. They look, here's the fabric, like a woven material. They come in 2 colors. This is a tan and white, And I think there's some more in the back. There's one other color. It says elastic tape and a draw cord, side pockets, and button front opening. And it's a set. It's a relaxed fit. And its size is small through extra large, and it is $12.99. These are character color change tumblers for $6.99, and it looks like you get, I think, 4 in the box with the lids and the straws, and they have Bluey, Spider-Man, Paw Patrol, Disney Princess, Zack, Stitch, and Mario. And I think I said they were $6.99 for the set. Here they have children's character, either bucket hats or caps. And here's a few of them that I can show you. Minnie Mouse, Disney Princess, Stitch, and Spider-Man, Paw Patrol, and Hot Wheels. They're one size fits all, and they're $4.99 each. Up here are children's character sunglasses for $3.99. I see they have Bluey, there's Paw Patrol, Stitch, and just looks like the Disney Princess is up here. So they have several of those. Here you have the kids, 3 years and up, swing seats. And those are $9.99 each. It says they have a choice of either the swing seat or a disc swing. And they have purple, yellow, pink, and blue. And those are $9.99 each. Down here are ladies' casual sandals by Sarah. And you can see they have, I think, 3 different designs there, and they are sizes 7 through 10, and they are $9.99 each. Here are boxes, and there's 51 pieces of glitter chalk. It says great for outdoors, and those are $4.99 each. Here are Pembroke tie-dye kits, and they are $6.99 each. I think they're putting out a lot of camping things, a lot of barbecue things, and a lot of things for the kids to keep them entertained when school gets out. Here are character beach towels. They are $9.99 each, and once again, you have your choice of Hello Kitty, Sonic, Paw Patrol, Pokemon, Hot Wheels, and Gabby's Dollhouse, and they are 28 by 58 inches. Here's your choice of either Bluey or Barbie or Hot Wheels 3-wheel scooters. It says great for beginners. 3-wheel tilt and turn scooter. Says ride in style with Barbie, and they have soft rubber handles and a wide and sturdy deck. Easy to use tilt and steering, and those are $19.99 each, and you have your choice of Barbie, Bluey, or I believe it's the Hot Wheels one. I see that in the back. Up here are your choice of kids, lemonade, chopping, or baking sets for $12.99. Here's the lemonade one here, and they have the pictures on the box of the choices you have, and they are for the kids. You know, the cupcake one I know has 2 oven mitts in it, 6 cupcake molds and measuring cups, so they all have something in there related to which one you get. Here's your choice of kids silicone drinking bottles or 2-pack snack boxes for $8.99. Here's a frog, and this looks like a bear, and there's a couple more up there. So, oh, and it shows you on the box the different kinds they have. So those are your choice for $8.99. Here are toddlers' character light up sandals. And they're in the boxes, but here you see Disney Princess, and there's the blue Paw Patrol, and down there, that looks like purple and white glitter, and that's Minnie Mouse. So you have your choice there, and they're $14.99 each. Here we have creativity for your kids. And there's a choice of 6 little kits. And it says summer camp prep kits. And this is make your own gem stickers and paint them. There's one that's make your own hair clips. There's make your own sunnies, make your own keychains, etc. And those are $4.99 each. These are new this week. This is our organic Simply Nature smoothie pops. And this one is super berry, super mango. And they are, let me see, $4.99, and you get 6 of them in a box. Here in the freezer department are frozen cotton candy snack grapes. And it says frozen, and they are straight from the field to you. And they are $3.89 a bag, and they're only 90 calories per serving. Well, another Wednesday at Aldi's is here and gone, but I hope you enjoyed your little stroll down the Aldi Finds aisle. Well, if you like to go camping or barbecue or just enjoy the outdoors when the weather's nice, I have a feeling you might have seen something there you liked. So anyway, thanks for watching. Love you all, appreciate you, and I'll see you next week. Toodles!